anything like me, it's not always easy to make healthier choices, especially when it comes to snack time cravings. So what I've learned to do is I stock up on what I call my Super 7 snacks, which help me make more balanced choices and keep my junk food cravings under control. The best part, items 3, 6 and 7 are really convenient grab and go options, so they make healthy snacking possible even when you're out on the go. My name is Smita Dhelia, and my list of Super 7 snacks, in no particular order, which make healthier snacking easier and sustainable is. At number 1, we have eggs. When we think of eggs, we always think of breakfast. But trust me, it's a great anytime snack. Have them scrambled, have them boiled, or any way you like it. My personal favorite is a veggie omelette, mixed with sliced broccoli and mushrooms, with a dash of salt and pepper, topped with mozzarella, a little bit. And when I'm in a rush, I will just have an egg over a medium with a slice of wheat toast. It makes a really good anytime snack. At number 2, we have oats. Another classic breakfast food, but a great anytime snack. Think overnight oats, baked oats, or my personal favorite, a bowl of classic warm oats mixed in with fruits or topped with nuts, a dash of cinnamon, some flaxseed powder, and maybe sometimes even a drizzle of maple syrup. At number 3, we have my personal favorite, fruits, nature's candy. I love them for their taste and convenience. We always have bananas on hand at home, and in addition to bananas, it is whatever is the in-season fruit. So right now it's warmer weather here. I live in New Jersey, and warmer months are pretty much a fruit fiesta. So we are stocked up with berries, mangoes, pineapple, and of course watermelon. During the colder months, it's more about apples, pears, clementines, oranges, and of course pomegranate. That's my daughter's favorite. And apple, banana, clementine, these are really convenient grab and go options as well. At number 4, we have Greek yogurt, another powerhouse snack. Mix it with fruits or nuts, sprinkle some flaxseed powder on it, drizzle some honey, or use it while making smoothies, overnight oats, or even as a base for dips. At number 5, we have veggies. Whether you have raw veggies like cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, cucumbers, mini carrots, little radishes, or you have air-fried veggies like Brussels sprouts, asparagus, zucchini, mushrooms, broccoli. Vegetables really add variety, color, and crunch to your snack game. At number 6, we have nuts. Again, nuts are a great grab and go option, a convenient anytime snack. But with nuts, we really need to be mindful of the portion size. My personal favorites are almonds soaked and peeled and walnuts. When I'm at home, I typically have it with my late morning coffee. When I'm out on the go, I will carry small portions of lightly salted pistachios or roasted cashews. And lightly salted peanuts are a family favorite. Anytime snack, we always have them on hand. And at number 7, we have popcorn. Yes, popcorn can be healthy if it is air popped, made with a little bit of oil, and you can season it, or even it can be made without oil, and then you can season it with extra virgin olive oil, salt, spices, and herbs of your choice. Use it as a base for a snack and add in some nuts or even chips. In this video here, I share a proven 5-step plan to help you eat healthier. And in this video here, I share 5 proven tips to stay active. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.